The Audi RS Q8 drives on 22-inch aluminum wheels in a 10-spoke star design with 295/40 series tires as standard, the largest ever to be factory installed on an Audi production model. As an option, 23-inch wheels with an exclusive RS design are available for the RS Q8. The calipers of the RS brake system are painted black as standard but are available in red as an option. With the optional RS ceramic brake, the calipers come in a choice of gray. 441 kilowatts, 600 PS, 800 Nm, 590.05 lb-ft, torque between 2200 and 4000.